Creating a complete marketing campaign can take hours of planning, writing, designing, and endless revision. But what if one AI tool could turn your brand and a simple campaign idea into professional marketing content in just a few minutes? Let me show you how. In this video, we are exploring Pomeli, an AI-powered marketing tool from Google Labs. I'll show you how to get started, create your brand profile, generate campaign ideas, and build a complete summer campaign, including Instagram content, a Facebook ad, and also limited time promotional offer. We'll also go through the entire process step by step. So let's jump into the Pomeli and see what it can create. Also, if you want to become a digital marketer, I highly recommend checking out the AI-powered Digital Marketing Certificate program from SPJ School of Global Management and Simplilearn. This is a 5-month online course that will teach you everything you need to know about modern digital marketing, and it is designed specifically for the AI era we are living in right now. And the best part is, you'll also learn how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, SEMrush, along with over 50 other marketing tools that companies are actually using today. Now, this isn't just theory. You'll be getting live interactive classes with real professors from SPJ and Global, work on 7 hands-on project and mentor support, and study over 15 real-world case studies. The course covers everything from SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, analytics, and automation. What really makes this course stand out is that you'll be getting free Meta and Google Ad credits to practice with, so you can run actual campaigns and see real results. Hurry up and enroll now. The course link is mentioned below. Now, before we get started, here's a quick quiz question for you. What does Pomeli primarily help users create? Mobile applications, marketing campaigns and branded content, financial reports, video games? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. Let's get started with the demo part. So let's get started with Pomeli. Now, you see the interface here, right? It says welcome to Pomeli, where you can generate free on-branding marketing content with ease. You've got Build with Business DNA, where you can enter your website. They will analyze your brand. And if you do not have a website, then the agent will help you build one. Then you've got Get Campaign Ideas and Assets, where you can create tailored marketing ideas, high quality creative. You can also generate a product photo shoot. Instantly, you can create studio quality product photos by Business DNA and latest AI models. And that's really amazing. And next one is create your brand book and website. So we'll just explore everything step by step. Now, what you can do is, first, let's click on Let's Go. And now it says we'll analyze your business and generate your business DNA. So if you already have a website, you can just copy paste your website URL link here. If not, then you will have to start from scratch. So let's suppose if you do not have a website yet from our brand, let's start from scratch and see how the Pomeli agent can help you create one. So let's click on No Website Yet. And now it says build your business DNA from the template or from scratch. So let's click on from scratch first. And now it says Pomeli agent. You can see here, hi, I'm the Pomeli agent. Your go-to AI here, your team up. Your go-to AI here to team up your first shared goal, building your brand. So what you can do is you can actually upload the PDF, your product pictures, and whatever required documents you have for your product, and then the agent will help you set one. So let's create on upload files. But before that, let me show you how Gemini can help you create product pictures. So I went to Gemini, gave a prompt here to create a minimalist skincare serum advertisement featuring 3 serum variants based on smooth white ceramic platform, and this was the output, the image which Gemini has created one for me. For that, you have to select the image mode and image creation from Gemini, and I'm using the Pro version. So this is the image. You can also edit, add text from here. This is really cool. I have downloaded it. The next image I'll be showing, so I've created various versions of it. This is the second version of a woman holding my skincare. This is also amazing. And I'm going to show you the third picture as well. Now, this is the third of the lady actually using the skincare serum. All right. Now, let me just go back again here to Pomeli. And now here it says upload files. So let me just click on files. So let me just click on upload files from here. And I already have a PDF brand report of my brand. So I'm going to upload that with the product images as well. Now let me just give it to all Pomeli agent. And it says extracting info for your business DNA. So let's wait for a few seconds till it extracts some information from our report. Now, it says, do you want to start generating your business DNA? Let's just click on Generate Business DNA from here. And now you do not have to maybe manually go and write everything, your brand overview, business name and fonts. It's going to create it for you. So let's see how the Pomeli agent mode does that. It says determining your visual aesthetic. This may take a few minutes, so we'll just relax a bit for a few minutes and let's see the result. You can also create your mandate here, but it's not needed. Now it will also do that. Now here you can see your Pomeli agent. All right, generated your business DNA. So this is the font. You can actually select the font from here, the colors it has used, the brand values, tagline, clean skincare, real radiance, the brand aesthetics, tone of voice, warm, reassuring, honest, fresh, business overview. This is really amazing. I mean, you don't have to go to AI again and think about your brand, right? But the agent mode can actually help you create your entire business DNA just in few seconds. You just have to get ready with your reports and your images logo, and that's it. You also have your business details here, your location, your business hours, your social media links, less testimonials. So let's click on let's go from here. Now it says, look, we have got enough to get going with product pictures. Take a look at business DNA to make sure you're happy. You can actually create campaigns here, website, create photo shoots. So let me click on let's go from here. And again, it's giving the same thing, right? So first we're going to make websites. So let's click on website. So it says generating your websites. We're going to wait for a few minutes. Also, one more thing, guys, Pomeli is also now available on mobile. So you can just log into your mobile and start getting created with your marketing campaigns, your new websites, and everything needed. You do not have to repeat. You don't actually have to come up with everything. I mean, from the images to logo, tagline, content, everything it will help you set up. So this is really amazing if you have an agency, social media planner, or if you're a content strategist, this would definitely help you out. So it says, I think my website is now almost done. Lumina Skin, it's not published yet. You can actually enter your URL link from here. So let's click on preview in a new tab. Oh, you can actually click on publish to Pomeli to actually get it published. And it says the font is really good, the background is fine, looks fine. I think if we would have a more bold color, like maybe in black, then the text would be more visible. We can give some changes, but then the minimalist, the fonts and everything it has used is really impressive. Look at the quality of the images, it's really amazing. You've got all of these, you've got the location as well, operating hours. I mean, I did not have to type anything. The agent mode has completely done it. The collection sections you can see from here, and everything, right? And the science section again, nature, refined, everything. So this looks good to me. You just need to enter your URL, your link here, and you can publish it to Pomeli to make it public. So when I click on that, it's taking some time. All right. So from here, you can just publish it. So you'll have to verify that you have the necessary rights to all the content to publish it. And you can also edit from here. So when I click on edit, you can just give a prompt like the first section, make the font in dark, maybe black or dark green. Right now, the background is too transparent and the content is not that visible. So I'm gonna give where I need it on this section, right? So this section. So it's now editing our website and let's see, does it really come up with my expectations or not? I think now the edits have been made and I can clearly see the results right here that the font and the color has been changed, and I'm really impressed by the results. It's super fast and the quality is really amazing. So this is highly recommend to you if you want to actually come up with your website and create for your brand. This is highly recommended, guys. Now, so I've shown you how you can create your website, right? Now let's move on and check the photo shoot feature here. So you can actually create a product photo shoot. You can generate or edit an image if needed. So let's click on create a product photo shoot and let me give some images. Click on upload images from here. And this is the image, let's suppose I'm giving. Let's click on this thing, looks good. And these are some of the photo shoot templates. It's taking some time to load it. Let's wait. You can also select the aspect ratio. It has story, square, feed. So for now, I need it for my story. So I'll be selecting 9:16 ratio. So now it says photoshoot templates. You can actually select from here in use 4th of July, studio, whether you need or with the ingredients. So let's suppose I need the studio one. So I'm clicking the studio one from here. And now let me click on generate photoshoot. So it's taking a few minutes to actually create the images. So now that you can see the product photo shoots are now ready, you can actually click on edit from here and you can have the edits if you need. You can just give it, download this image from here. You can describe what you would like to make. So look at the quality, guys. This is now really amazing. You can click on download image from here. You can also add to business DNA. So I've saved it for now. And this is the second image. It's almost the same, I can see, but it has added few props here. You can see the aloe vera, the leaves and everything. This looks really cool. Again, I'm going to download this image. Click on back. Look at the third image now. So this is a model who is holding our product. You can see this is the serum and it's holding it. This looks so natural and so good. Next up, you've got again the 3 different variant of our product with the props here and everything. I'm really happy with the quality. I do not have any complaints, honestly, I would say. So I'm just gonna save it from here, download all the assets, save as a new catalog item, and it's say Lumina Skincare. And you can add description if you want, or you can just click on create a catalog item. And now let's see how you can create a campaign now. So let's click on create campaign. It says describe the campaign you want to create. So now I'll be just describing it, and I've given a prompt to actually create a very seasonal summer glow campaign for Lumina Skin built around hydration and radiance. The goal is to have position, hydration boost, radiance, glow as a summer glow. And the offer is 20% off the summer duo glow. And yeah, you can use this particular promo code as well. The audience is basically the glow seekers who want fresh, dewy skin. The key message is this one. And I've also added the taglines. You can see shop the summer glow. And this is basically for my Instagram post, which I'll be creating. And let me just give it to Pomeli Agent. And now it's generating a campaign brief, and it might take again a few minutes. So now it says the campaign brief is now ready. Submitted prompt. The title name is the Summer Glow Duo. Description is this, offer optional, and let me just click on confirm. So you can see the campaign is now ready. You can see the images, right? You can actually animate this as well. And yeah, a few more variations it's working on. You can also add a creative from here. You can describe the creative you want to make if you have any changes. And you can see the font, description, call to action, headers, everything here. So you can just design it accordingly. And I think I love the first one. It's a very minimalist, and it's going well with the background. I would say the header, the description, call to action, it's not ready, but you can actually generate that. You can fix the layout using this AI. And this is how the campaign works now. If you want a campaign for your Instagram or any post, if you want to create, you can just give the prompt, give the idea, and it will get it ready for you. So guys, this is how the, I would say, Pomeli work. And I've showed you everything, how you can create a photo shoot, how you can create campaigns, how you can design a website as well. Now, the third one image is also ready. You can see here. And let me just do one more thing. Let me just click on animate and let's see what it does. So it's again taking a few minutes. So before we just complete our thing, let me show you how this animate feature also works in Pomeli. So I think it has animated now, and when I just click on the play button, you can see the animations ready. And this is amazing. Look at the quality and the sync. It's going so well with it. And when I click on this animation, okay, so it hasn't animated this one, right? It just animated the first one, and I think this one, yeah. And I'm really impressed by the quality, guys. See, just look at it. I mean, things which would take hours, you do not even have to go for photo shoot and get a model or your product. You can just do it by using this agent, and this works amazing. If I had to rate it, I would definitely rate it 10 out of 10 because it has got everything fixed for you. Starting from campaigns, your photo shoot, product ideas, generating website, amazing. So guys, this is how Pomeli works, and I've showed you how the Pomeli agent also works. This is a must try for you. And there you have it. We turned a simple campaign idea into a complete collection of on-branding marketing assets in just a few minutes. Pomeli handled the campaign ideas, copy and visual direction while still giving us the flexibility to review and customize everything. Try it with your own business or brand and let me know in the comments what kind of campaign you would want to create first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.